Correctors hide dark circles, acne marks, pigmentation, or any kind of problems on your face or body. So here I am going to tell you more about how to use color correctors. So correctors are always used before foundations. You always need a color corrector which is maybe peachish in color, like this. Maybe a mixture of yellow and orange, like this. If you are medium toned, and if you are dark toned, something pure orange in color, like this. Also, if you have redness around your face, or maybe you have acne marks, all you need is a green color corrector. If you only want to hide a little bit of darkness, you always need a yellow color corrector. In case you are very fair in color, you always need to buy a lighter tone corrector. If you are medium in tone, it should be a combination of light and dark. And if you are dark in tone, it should be a pure color corrector. For example, I am telling you first about the dark circles. I am going to moisturize my under eye with a good eye cream. So this eye cream is from Bobbi Brown. Take a little product on your ring finger and always go anti-clockwise. Or you can just dab in the product. The second thing that we are going to do is use a corrector. So always use the corrector with a flat brush like this. You can go with your finger as well, but the reason behind using a brush is that less is more in terms of correctors. So always start with less product. I am going to show you all the colors on my eyes as well as around my mouth, so that you can choose your corrector. So taking a little product on the brush, always pat in gently. Don't go too close to your lash line. Always start with very less product. You don't need to apply a lot of corrector on your face. Never forget to correct your inner eye. It instantly pops up the eyes. This one was from Bobbi Brown, medium to dark peach. The second product that we are going to see is from MAC, Studio Finish Concealer in shade NC45. This is a mixture of yellow and orange. So you can see how this has corrected my dark circle as well as it has made my eyes pop out and reduce the bags under my eyes. This one is Pure Orange from MAC Studio Fix range. Be very generous when you apply any kind of orange or green corrector. The reason is it can be seen through your foundation later as well if you apply a lot of product. So start with a very little product. So here I'll show you this orange color around my mouth. This is a very pigmented shade. If you fail to blend it properly, it can be seen from your foundation later. The next that we are going to see is a green color corrector. This is used for cutting the red on your face. Reds are usually found due to acne marks or around your nose and mouth. This one is from LA Girl Pro Conceal Green Corrector. I have certain acne marks here on my face, so I'll go with the green corrector here. It has a brush tip on its edge, so I'll go directly with the tube. It is highly pigmented in color, so blending is the key to achieve a flawless face. One corrector that is left. It is a yellow corrector. This is again from LA Girl Yellow Corrector. Don't apply a lot of product on your eyelids if you are planning to do any kind of eye makeup, as it will do a kind of layering on your eyes which can take off the product easily. Just dabbing the product first. Now using my blender, I'll just press in the corrector. These are just meant to hide the imperfection on your face or body. So I hope the next time you go out to buy a corrector, you call it a corrector and you buy a right shade for yourself. If you like the video, please hit the subscribe button and like button, and we have more videos on doing a complete makeup routine, so do watch. Thank you. Bye bye. Stay tuned.